Hey, this is Ken, Window Gang out of Louisville. Do a lot of commercial work, do a lot of pole work. And ABC introduced a new pole, the Triple Crown Titanium 40 foot. And I guess you can add sections to this to get up to 70 foot, but this is just a 40 foot. I'm going to kind of demo this and kind of give it a review and see how it feels and how it works. And we're pretty excited about it. We're always looking for the next better piece of equipment for us to do our job, and I'll let you know what we think. We also have the Triple Crown Gold 40 foot. So same thing, but it's the gold and this is the new titanium. Go ahead and lift her up and see how she goes. Right now, all the connections, all the locks on the pole seem pretty solid. Real solid pole. It feels really solid at this point. We'll get her up there and see how she goes. Okay, we're up there. We're not all the way 40 foot, but we're pretty close. I'm gonna bring this out. It's really solid. Real stiff. Some of the poles we use now, this high, it kind of does that bowl. There's not a whole lot into this. Really solid. It helps you get some pressure on the window so you can agitate a little bit better. As you can see, I'm moving it pretty easy. I mean, I push it down on it a little bit to give it the bowl, but we're just going back and forth. There's not a whole lot of bowl in this pole, which is, like I said, it's important to us. The higher you get, the more pull you have, and when you don't have that, that makes a big difference when you're trying to agitate the windows. So, we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot. I got one arm on this right now. Pretty light. I don't remember the weight of this, but pretty light. Right now. Feels good. Really good pole as it now. We're going to give it a shot today. We're going to use it. As it now, I absolutely have no complaints. Feels really good. Kyle, you want to give this a shot? Have Kyle give it a shot. Kyle uses a lot of the poles as well, and he's the one that actually uses the Triple Crown Gold. So this one will tell the difference. So how does it feel compared to the Triple Crown Gold, the one you normally use?
It's definitely lighter, less flow, easier to maneuver.
Stiffness, can you really tell the difference on the stiffness?
Yes, not falling in flow.
All right, good. I don't know if you can see it with the shade, but well, there you go. As of now, I give this thing a huge double thumbs up right now. Anything changes, we'll shoot you something else. Thank you.